You know, naturally, my brother back then was like a terrorist. Terrorist. Terror. My strength or my weakness has always been to hear people and keep quiet. And you know, most of my critics have been so happy, excited because I don't respond. But next year, I will try Mashura.
I want to do something out of this world.
I will try Mashura.
I want to do something amazing.
Yo, Zagake Bauke TV, right? This is no for started from today, whereby we analyze and criticize videos across the internet. Guys, today is a very, very brand new day. It seems like Prophet Makandiwa is now gathering some courage. Ndikuda to open up to his critics. Because right now he is threatening next year I'll be coming ndichinyasoudza vanhu sezvazviri nemazita avo. And we know, guys, kuti Prophet Makandiwa has been one of those people whereby akada kutaura munhu anotaura nemadimikira, like especially tinoona pafield raona Prophet Miracle Paul hapaite kubudirana pachena. Even chero iyo Prophet Miracle Paul vanenge vachingoti mukomana murefu akazoenda kuWest Africa, ivo vanenge vachitaura zvekuti unoprofita, isusu zvatichaita zvekuprofita takuita zvekuparidza, we are now concerned about the word not prophecy, like video ravakaita last time vachipisa vanhu vanongoita zvekuprofita pasina word. You know, that sermon yanga isiri directed to Prophet Hubert Angel, because right now we see it in this sermon whereby he is endorsing Prophet Hubert Angel as a brother. So we now analyze that video and then we realize that that video was directed to two people now, Prophet Magaya and Prophet Miracle Paul, because we know those people Awawirane na Prophet Makandiwa. So don't want to waste much time, guys. We just want to get into this video. It's very, very interesting video. Let's hop into it. Adversaries on this channel, the numbers on the screen on that and WhatsApp or group WhatsApp whereby we do scriptures 100%, the numbers on the screen. And also, if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. So without wasting much time, guys, boom, let's get into the video.
If I stand today and I'm preaching, yes, I'm not liked by everybody, but I guarantee you, many people. I don't have too many enemies. No, they just pretend. I don't have too many. I've told myself that several times, not really. If you investigate, no, they are not enemies. No. Never.
It's a lie.
No. No. No, that's not true. That's not true. That's not true. I've seen people that pretend to hate me, yet they copy everything I do. Everything. Everything is no longer about to and then
we start breaking down.
Saying,
this is where did they get it from here? Where did that come from here? From here.
Enemy people.
So where's the enmity there? There's no such enemy.
Hakuna. Most people are not just trained on how to admire. They admire in a negative way. That's all. We are mentoring too many people. Not only you here. No. Too many people. That's why we have to maintain our position. Always stay ahead of them. They can't talk, they can't say anything unless we say something. They can't. We keep quiet, they have no preaching. No comments. You see? Yeah. Because what I understand about the things of God is that when you want to really establish yourself in truth, if you are whether a vlogger, I was asking my daughter a few days ago, what's a vlogger, what's a blogger? Whether you're a YouTuber, you know the best you can do if God has given you a message to preach is not to wait for other people to always go ahead of you. You invite people for a broadcast live and you present your persuasions, your doctrines in terms of baptism, Holy Spirit, Trinity, all doctrinal matters. You must have them lined up according to your understanding. Then a follow-up work now needs to be done where you bring in pastors that are heretic and you castigate them, castigating them according to what you have presented from a place where you stand. That's proper work. If God has called you to rebuke and to correct preachers, this is the right way. I'm not even saying stop doing that. I'm just giving you a proper way of doing it. You can't always be waiting for heretics to go ahead of you, for other people to say whatever they need to say before you can come. Because by so doing, you are showing that you are always coming from behind. You don't have a stand-alone calling. If they are always wrong, you are right about that. Make it a sermon. And let's see how many views. When they now know, from beginning to end, you are talking of the Trinity. Let's watch how many views. Because to a certain point, I got to a place where I was believing that indeed, these people coming out, looking into our work, criticizing us and analyzing us and so on. To a certain point, I'm not that person who is easily agitated. I take time, I consider, I ask questions. What if God has raised some of these people to question us? Because we must also, whilst we are preaching, we must be aware that there are such people out there who are going to look into our teachings so that we are correcting what we do. There must be such people called by God. Yeah, you can't write an exam or
And then you mark it for yourself.
Someone
Someone else has to mark it for you.
What I'm trying to do here is not to fight back. I'm trying to say the best way of doing it, if you have it as a calling from God, you have to sit down and you broadcast. Have your own preaching that you broadcast. Let others also see how clean it is, your understanding of Jesus. That's a calling now. If you can't sustain that because of less views, it means it's because of less money. You're doing it for money as well. You're as good as the people that you're castigating. Sit on Jesus and let's see for how long can you explain him. Let's see how many people get excited when you're explaining Jesus. And most of these people, they've tried it. 5 minutes, 10 minutes into Jesus, they realize, oh, no views. They look for another preacher. And once you do that, views start what? Going up. People are coming there because they are saying that's what you're called to do. They are saying you specialize in destroying other people. Why is it when you're explaining Jesus, they don't want to hear your explanations of Jesus? But leave Jesus alone, take Makandiwa, you put him there, you make him a son. You see a confirmation. People now are coming. They are telling you what you really have been called to do, to explain. People, not him. People. If I would see certain people, I'm talking of foundations here, because I said you must question, you must know the man who brought you to Christ. That's why I'm coming to this one. If a man is bold enough to look at me in the face and say, Makandiwa, you're wrong, I'm honest enough to say, where? And I'm honest enough to say, tell me, what is it that you want me to preach about so that I'm a true man of God? I'll ask that question. I'm even asking the question now. What is it that you want me to preach about? If every other preaching that I'm doing is wrong, what is it that you want me to preach about so that you can believe that I'm a man of God? Somebody's going to have the guts and answer that question and say, preach Jesus. Okay. All right. All right. I'll do that because I've been doing that. My question to you is that what you are known for? Let's move around. Let's ask children. Say,
what is this man known for? What do you know him for?
Who knows you for preaching Christ to you? Who knows you for preaching Christ? I'm not talking about what you are thinking. Let's ask the people.
How many know you for the issue of preaching Christ?
People know you for preaching other preachers. My strength or my weakness has always been to hear people and keep quiet. And you know, most of my critics have been so happy, excited because I don't respond. But next year, Kukuitirayi Mashura.
I want to do something out of this world.
Kukuitirayi Mashura.
I want to do something amazing.
I would like to bet you guys he will never do it. He was just joking about. Prophet Makandiwa is not someone whereby he can just come and start dropping names. No, he can never do that. My names are no dropper. My names are our side kwao. Like Etvene, like his brother, Prophet Hubert Angel, his spiritual father, Boateng, and other spiritual sons of his. But my adversaries, and some people beef that he cannot do. And if you check Tikadzogorodza right now, let me just pull it back. You find out Kuti, he is not meaning what he said. He was just joking here.
Out of this world.
I don't respond. But next year, Kukuitirayi Mashura.
I want to do something out of this world.
Kukuitirayi Mashura.
I want to do something amazing.
He's joking. It's not serious.
Next year, Kure.
Think next year is far from now?
Anytime this year, I'll start. What does it?
Not in parables.
I will tell you. I know some of them have been praying. I know some of them have been desiring to just have me talk about them. Yeah. Don't think they are going to be offended. Some will like it. Even the Buddha, get away when Ningi, they will
Even
be
if
so
I come out
happy.
saying,
So happy. Mundamatu.
it's a prayer.
Honestly, you can look at a person like me and you are looking at somebody who can't answer. And they told you not to
I think I've got nothing to say as it stands.
about you. Shamanda uchesera 10 hours.
My friend, I can go for 10 hours
Ndakakugara.
making you the subject.
ndichizarurirwa.
and getting revelations.
I'm more gifted than God.
And some of us, once we start talking, we don't just talk. No. Atitema false accusations.
We don't make false accusations. No.
So
We will sweep you away.
I'm talking about who led you to Christ. Apa so
Now, everything that I'm saying,
kukuratidza certificate yangu where I'm coming from.
I'm just showing you the certificate of where I come from.
The certificate.
It's the certificate.
Certificate. I'm closing, but what I want you to see, people of God, is how necessary it is for you to begin to think what is contained in the blood. If you got born again the proper way, then you must be seeing that reflected in the way things are unfolding in your life. If you see that there's error in the way that you manifest in terms of different aspects of your life, you don't correct it from there. Go back to the foundation. Who taught me about God? If God has nothing to do with money, you can't expect that kind of salvation to yield monetary value. If whoever preached to you said God is not interested in healing your body, it will be difficult for you to access healing physically. The man who led you to Christ has restricted you. His knowledge of God will become your limitation. Investigate about me. Even the people that are connected to my life, I investigate. Maybe you didn't know. I investigate, including you. I've investigated you. Over time, because things can happen. I've met people that have been a blessing to me in my life, that I love, that I will always love. But if you ask me, when you met those people, was it a haphazard? Was it just an emotional attachment? No. I try to be sober and look into people. Not just look at people, look into people. What are they up to? What are they up to? Some of those people, I've brought them to church and they ministered. Prophet Hubert Angel. We had a connection, a relationship. How did it start? We met at a hotel and we were sitting and we were talking. I'll tell you something that happened in that at the reception.
Okay, guys, I've noticed that he said we had a connection, we had a relationship. Is he implying that the relationship is no longer there, or the relationship is no longer where it used to be? Because you know, tinemangoma words atinotaura subconsciously tisiri kunyatsoona kuti tiri kuexpose the truth, because like lately I haven't been seeing these guys very too. So to all those vanoziva the relationship between these two guys, can you tell us kuti vachiri kunyatsolinka here vanhu ava kana kuti ndeimwe iya? Because like recently if you know kuti your brother anda zvekuprofita, then last Sunday yachona you were like, hatichaita zvekuprofita, zvataimboita zvekuprofita zvezvi hazvina dhiri chichi. When you know kuti your brother is out there prophesying, yes, you unonge uchiadressa vamwe vanhu vanoita izvozvozvo, but now you know your brother anomboita izvozvo futi zvekuprofita. You know, it raises some questions. So I was like, is he dissing his brother or what? So whoever anoziva about the relationship, please taura in some comment section. Timbowana zvekutaura.
Here comes a certain gentleman. He had a clash, walking like this. Then he came and then he said, I don't know what he was doing, whether he was booking for a room or what. Whilst we were talking, looking at him, he looked back and he saw that man. Immediately he jumped off his chair, went straight to that guy. The guy was intimidated. The way that he healed the guy was intimidating. You know, naturally, my brother back then was like a terrorist. Terrorist. Terror. He took that clutch away from him, threw it away, and picked him up. And the man was actually shaking. He thought maybe he wanted to beat him up. He said, walk, 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 walk. He didn't know what to do. He started walking. Right? He's surprised that he's able to walk and he's wondering, who is this person? I'm seated over there. But in my head, I'm saying, no. This is not happening. I'm talking about investigating. You don't escape my investigation. In the midst of such a supernatural activity, I'm thinking, I saw this man coming in and I didn't organize this venue. Is this not planned? Don't be quick to believe. Even if it's me, you have to investigate. No. Because I saw the way the man was walking. And I'm thinking, this is how I process. I'm saying, yes, I really wanted to meet my brother. He wanted also to meet me. Probably he's more interested in this relationship than I am. And he might do some things. I can't tell you how far I went in terms of making a follow-up, wanting to know where that man came from. I did all that before coming back to him and giving him a call.
We're not dumb. We can't be easily deceived.
Because by that, he had gotten me. Because I'm saying, if there's no God in him, he can't do that. I'm saying, no.
This is an area we understand. This looks like it was prearranged.
That's why we have to be sober. Dealing with certified individuals. Certified individuals. Some of you people, you are invited to certain ministries, certain churches, and then you get there, you receive a prophetic word. And you are forgetting somebody invited you there. Who knows you? Who knows the prophet? No investigation is happening in the church. People are easily deceived. I wouldn't have had a relationship even for 1 week with an individual if I wasn't sure there is something of God in this person. Verify. I'm telling you, I went too far until I found out he indeed was not okay. The man couldn't walk properly. But I'm looking, there is no choir. To crank the power of God. What can cause a man to do that in a hotel? What if we sing for him? Verify. Always. Verify. So you have looked at your father, your forefather. You have been doing investigations about what killed them. Let's forget about God, because that one is too complicated for some people. Now you are in a place where we have a different father. Investigate that your father. Look into the life of your mentor. Read his DNA. If you look up to such a man and you call him my spiritual father, you must know that my lifestyle has to become your inheritance. We don't walk around being defeated by the enemy. No. Even where it appears like we've been defeated, no. No. Every defeat in our lives is temporal. What is permanent is victory. Your forefather and your father and your father's father and your father's father. Chegumera, hear me. You have disowned that family. They are still there. You see them, unongoti baba, unongoti mama, but in terms of existence, there will be nothing coming from them into your life. What will begin to manifest in your life today? Because you have changed parentage. Now there is another connection that you have created in the body of Christ. You are coming from there and you surrendered your life to me in this ministry, and you said it's because you realized that your father was a wrong one. So let's sort out some things here. What we are doing from today is to make sure that the barrier is put back in place. No one here will manifest like their forefather.
Okay, guys, I'd like to appreciate the fact that Varku recognize Adversaries Seraka Kosha to analyze their sermons, and then he went on to say we should have our own things besides ku analyze. If we do that, it's a good advice. But if we do that, we are now preachers. We are no longer analysts. Basaredu ma analyst ndere kutangira pane zvaitwa nevamwe. Just like a software developer. Munhu anogadzira software yake, but a software developer anouya achiona kuti ma-developments angaitwe kubva pane izvi zvatano. Zvakafanana nemunhu anoplaster imba. Anditi asvika achiplaster imba isina madziro. Anosvika achitangira pane madziro achiplaster. So that's what we do as analysts. We analyze zvinhu zviripo. We don't do our own stuff, then we analyze our own stuff. No. Even my preachers, and it ndo vanoita madoctrine avo, like zvavanga vachitaura the Trinity, baptism and stuff. Then isusu ma-analyst tichitungamirirwa naMwari. We come, we check if everything is in order. Kana paine pakanzvenga tobva tangwadza vanhu kuti omanaka apa pakadhakwa apa. Then issue yekwa Prophet Angel, yeah, he was right. He should investigate each and everyone, and he is also putting himself as part of the people to be investigated. Yeah, I would like to say that it can be truthful, and on the other hand, it can be also deceiving and cunning. Because have you ever realized that mbava ikatosvika pamba penyu imimi inoona kutokudza kuti ngwarai apa pakadai munobirwa, apa pakadai munobirwa, ichi chimunobirwa. Why? Because munhu wokuti if you say that pamba ipapo pakazobiwa, you are automatically excluded as the suspects, because you are part of the people who have been warning us. So ndikangosvika I'll be like ndakambokuudzai. So there is a possibility also that Prophet Makandiwa can be doing that also. Kuti vanenge vachikungwadzai kuti they are fake men of God, so that when you start counting kuti ma fake prophets nema fake men of God in the app, you count him out. Anomukupaona manje. So ndo patinezenge taakudzokorodza manje taakunyala taakunozonotarisa a pattern of whatever he does and whatever he says zvinenge zvichitrenda. And it like I'm more gifted than God. Lucifer was once like Jesus Christ, something like that, you know. Tenchitarisa a pattern. And it unongo you praise vanhu vano abuse my human rights, you praise vanhu corruption, my gold mafia, and so tova takutarisa tova taona action dzako nezvauri kutaura. Yes, uri kuti pa-advice iri valid, but you know, munhema dzako mune chokwadi chirimo. You know, munhema dzako, mubackbone renhema mune maoko echokwadi. So be like, you know, without vara. So this is it, guys. This is what I had for you. Kune vasati vasubscribe varufarira content, please do subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. God K TV. Peace.